Let's give it a little gas right here for you guys. Then we'll get back to that point. This is in sport mode. All right, then we got to slow down for the curb. But guys, this thing is absolutely amazing, and this view is incredible, guys. Holy moly, this is cool. This is crazy, y'all. Are you kidding me? Let me know what you think about that view. Look at this bridge. This is so cool, man. Wow. I don't even remember what the heck I was talking about, to be honest. This view is absolutely amazing, guys. Okay. Not breaking the law again. Gonna accelerate a little bit in sport mode here on the bridge. Ooh. Guys, I'm telling y'all, see, I'm already hitting the limit there. But this thing is amazing, guys. I mean, I absolutely love the power in this vehicle. It's so much fun to drive this car. I mean, every time I get behind the wheel of the car, it's a blast. Like I was saying before, we were checking out the view. It is a little bit annoying sometimes. Like when I don't really want to drive really fast, you put your foot down and you're kind of going fast before you know it, and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't really want to go that fast right now. I kind of just want to go in an easy rate. So that's a little bit annoying. That's one of the downsides of driving a sports car like this, but I wouldn't want the GT because it'd just be too much power all the time. Sometimes I don't want a whole lot of power. I just want something to get me from point A to point B. I'm chilling, I'm relaxing, it's the evening. I don't want to drive so fast.